Title 18 U.S.C. Section 242. Whoever, under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year, or both. And if bodily injury results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years, or both. And if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title, or imprisoned for any term of years or for life. Title 18 U.S.C. Section 241 Conspiracy against Rights. This statute makes it unlawful for 2 or more persons to conspire to injure, oppress, threaten, or intimidate any person of any state, territory, or district in the free exercise or enjoyment of any right or privilege secured to him, her by the Constitution or the laws of the United States, or because of his, her having exercised the same. It further makes it unlawful for 2 or more persons to go in disguise on the highway or on the premises of another with the intent to prevent or hinder his, her free exercise or enjoyment of any rights so secured. Punishment varies from a fine or imprisonment.
Good afternoon, I'm Andre Sr. We begin with developing news in the East Bay now. Several Antioch and Pittsburgh police officers have been arrested in connection with an 18-month-long FBI investigation into an alleged criminal network of law enforcement officers. According to the East Bay Times, the FBI rounded up the officers early this morning in a series of raids around the Bay Area. The raids followed indictments handed down by a federal grand jury in San Francisco. It accuses the current and former officers with a wide range of offenses, including criminal conspiracy. The indictment is sealed until 3:30 this afternoon.
This is Brett Finnerty. I'm sitting here at my mother's house waiting for your Carter County Police to tell the truth about faking my daughter's death in the year 2005. Your police have made me homeless. Your police laugh in my face. Your police stalk me. Your police treat law enforcement as if it is a joke. You will not investigate because you know you have broken the law. You think you're about to arrest me. But I really did turn you into the real FBI, who is going to arrest you.
It's not a tumor. You're gonna go to jail, Sheriff Bryant, you piece of trash.
Failure to intervene. An officer who purposefully allows a fellow officer to violate a victim's constitutional rights may be prosecuted for failure to intervene to stop the constitutional violation. To prosecute such an officer, the government must show that the defendant officer was aware of the constitutional violation, had an opportunity to intervene, and chose not to do so.
The federal criminal statute that enforces constitutional limits on conduct by law enforcement officers is 18 U.S.C. Section 242. Section 242 provides in relevant part, whoever, under color of any law, willfully subjects any person to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, shall be guilty of a crime.
A
top, their most powerful weapon is their word.
The testimony of an officer alone can convict somebody.
But what happens if they've lied in the past? 7 investigator Ross Jones exposing the lying cops still on the force.
Can they be a cop? They shouldn't be.
And how Detroit's chief says a lie has kept dangerous criminals on the streets.
A criminal can go free. Absolutely. And in some cases has gone free. The message is clear. Tell the truth.
The truth behind lying cops. Thursday on 7 Action News.